Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to trade 100x meme coins on the Tron network. In this video, you will learn the step-by-step how to get started from setting up your wallet to finding and trading the latest meme coins with potential for massive returns. So to get started the trading meme coins on Tron, the first step is to set up the Tron Link wallet. In order to get it, you can either go to the Chrome Web Store and you can come to Tron Link, and from here you can either download their application or extension, and then you just have to simply create your wallet on it. So Tron Link is highly reputable wallet that functions similarly to MetaMask, allowing you to buy, sell, send and receive various tokens including TRX, USDT and Ethereum. Next step is to fund your Tron Link wallet by transferring TRX directly from a centralized exchange like Binance, KuCoin, OKX, etc. For those in Australia or New Zealand, SwiFTX is a recommended platform to purchase TRX, which can then be sent to your Tron Link wallet without needing you to worry about the bridging fees or liquidity issues. This method streamlines the process and reduces the potential complications associated with on-chain bridges. For users who already hold assets like Bitcoin, Ethereum, or Solana, bridging to Tron is necessary. Reputable platforms for this purpose include the Simple Swap, SideShift, and Change Now. These services allow for the seamless transfer of the assets from other blockchains to Tron, enabling you to trade meme coins on the Tron network effectively. Now, once you have successfully set up your Tron Link wallet, the next step is to finding the meme coins to trade. For that, you can use this platform that is called DEX Tools. So DEX Tools is a key platform for this purpose. So here you need to navigate to the top and you need to click on Tron. Now, by navigating to the Tron section on the DEX tools, you can track on the chain meme coins, view market status, and identify the potential high gains opportunities. The platform offers detailed data including the market cap, circulating supply, and the number of holders, helping you to make informed trading decisions. With a meme coin in mind, you need to head over to the SunSwap to execute the trade. So let's say on your DEX tools, you found that the top cat is working right now. So you just have to copy its address from here, then come to SunSwap, and first you need to connect your wallet with it. After that, you need to paste the address in this section. Then it will show you the coin and you will be able to easily purchase it with the help of SunSwap. The process is straightforward, mirroring the experience of using Uniswap on Ethereum or Radium on Solana. Ensure you track the value of your investment by monitoring how much TRX you have swapped, helping you keep tabs on profit and loss. For those who are interested in early meme coins, SunPump is a platform worth exploring. Similar to Pump.fun on Solana, SunPump focuses on Tron-based tokens. It showcases new token launches and their respective market caps. Understanding the bonding curve is crucial as it takes time for newly launched tokens to be available on platforms like SunSwap or to appear on the DEX tools. Now, once you are on SunPump, you just have to simply select the token in which you are interested. After that, you need to click on it, and first you need to connect your Tron Link wallet with it. Then you will be able to purchase the coin by placing the order over here. Now, trading meme coins comes with a significant risk, so it is vital to manage your positions carefully. Always establish a clear entry and exit points and be prepared to cut losses if the trade moves against you. Proper charts analysis and the technical assessments are also key to navigating the volatile world of meme coins. So by following these steps, you can start trading meme coins on Tron with greater confidence. Remember to stay informed, manage risks, and make use of the tools available to you for tracking and trading.